BWA today. It's the day I'm gonna start working on the BWA. Okay, I remove the rust as much as possible to don't come pieces and stuck the water pump of the thermostat. It was disaster. I try my best. Try how many times. At least it does have a pieces down there. Something's that, right? It's gonna be nice at the end, let us say, when they make one heat cycle the engine to drain the coolant and they put it, let us say, with the water and then put coolant. So now what I have the old bolts here. That's the old bolts. The new bolts are here. Crankshaft main bearings, crankshaft being polished, it's ready, but it's not washed. Yeah, I didn't wash it, I just wipe it with a rag to check the clearance. That's okay. The bearings, yeah, I might go to wash also the caps, yes, because it looks a little bit not rusty, surface rust if you like. Yeah, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. And they keep from the office one box, two boxes actually. One for this one, it's the pistons and these are the connecting rods. But the connecting rods, they're not matching on the BWA because it's much more wide than the CJX. I'm talking about here on the journal for the connecting rod. This is greater, this is smaller. So it's driven by the crankshaft and you need to have correct width. So I cannot use these connecting rods. I cannot use these connecting rods for the BWA. That's why I put it next to the CJX. So the CJX, I cover it here because I'm gonna use the last set of piece connecting rods that I have for this engine. I cannot use it on this. It will not gonna work. It's not correct. Let us say like that. I said before that I need the gears, I need a couple of stuff. They didn't brought me nothing up to now. What I get: crankshaft main bearings, the thrust washer and the bolts. I have here for my reference the old crankshaft main bearings. It has a number, each one of these. Just for my reference, to don't have any headache, make some measurements first to see that we are on the same page and we don't have any crazy clearance, tolerance, and then we're gonna start putting it with the plastic cage to verify at the end the readings. So like it's a classic. Let's start. At least I'm gonna put the crankshaft. It's a drop in the ocean. I'm gonna put the crankshaft. Crankshaft need to be washed again. Yeah, classic. Let's see what it's gonna give us to continue. I can put also the oil jets. It doesn't make any difference since the block is already done. It's washed. I cover it with a nylon bag and does have nothing. It's beautiful. No need to be cleaned again. I might take it out and blow it a little bit, but it doesn't even have a dust. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Let's start. Alright, now. Blue, gold, red, gold, gold. Or blue, yellow, red, yellow, yellow. That's the lower. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. That's the blue, yellow or gold, red, yellow, yellow. And now the upper, red, all of them. Okay. Alright. Through the phone it looks a little bit more bright. Maybe because I have the light on. Yeah. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Beautiful, excellent. We're not tight, we're not loose. It's amazing, all over the place. It's not, yeah, how you can see. It has the same print in all of them. Beautiful. Cleaning the bearings, clean the crankshaft, put assembly grease and lubricant actually, and then I have to take also the new bolts here, the bearings back to the customer, the old one, and one verification on the thrust washer to see the movement, how much it is, and we are happy. And yes, I'm gonna show you later on front, back, and the reading wheel here to see that it's okay and no need any massage, let us say, just in case. Okay, let's see what we have now here. Let's go back. We are at 0. Okay. 0.09. Okay. Nice. Keep in mind that I have put oil and assembly grease. This one. That's like a gel. So it's a little bit thick. Amazing. Let's see the reading wheel. Finish with the reading wheel, center wheel, call as you like. There was only one lower spot here at this point where I make the mark, and it's beautiful. It's nice and straight. You won't gonna have any problem. I wish to have this gear new, and this gear new, and this bolt new, but I don't have it. Yay! Let's see what other things they send me. What else should I do now? That I need the piece connectors to put it inside. What's that? No, nothing. Give me a second. This has to go out. This go back to the customer. Give me a second. I have to prepare the balance shaft and the oil pump. I have the cancellation kit over there. Okay. Why I keep the gear for the camshaft up, I don't understand. Since I send the cylinder head back to the owner. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna close whatever I have. This for Daza. This doesn't belong to that. It's not even matching. Anyhow. I don't have anything. I have to pause it actually. I have to pause it because I don't have the piston connectors. Yeah. Most probably I'm gonna prepare also the oil pump with the balance shaft. I think that there is no some of them I bring it from here. I'm gonna say because I keep also the other one from the other engine that arrive. I keep also the other oil pump with the balance shafts. I keep also the other water pump. We're gonna see whatever it's better, whatever it's healthier. That's what I'm gonna install. The rest in a box back to the customer. Yeah. Open it. Alright. That's it for now. Wrapping it, bring it back behind the curtain. Then I'm gonna throw out the bearings and the bolts like I said. I'm gonna bring to see to put the cancellation gear for the oil pump and continue with a couple of other stuff. That's it for now. The rest later. Thank you.